First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Hila Bhaskar. Please, shall we all clap hands and welcome him? It's our pleasure to have him here. He has traveled all over the world and he has given free of service to many people so that they are free from physical ailments, so that when we listen to his program and follow it, understand, analyze, experiment it, then you can free your physical baggage, mental, emotional, whatever baggages we carry. We carry a lot of diseases. Emotionally, we carry lot of issues, stress. He has a remedy. Please follow. And it's not that you have to believe. You can experiment with your body and then you will benefit. So please attend this course it's a self-treatment. You don't require anyone. It's a natural recovery process. So please listen to this carefully, physically be present, and enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity. First of all, I thank Mr. Selvan who arranged the program here. Thank you, sir. Mrs. Jyoti, then Mr. Jawahar, Mrs. Ami and Pios, Mr. Bhaskaran, Mr. Johnson, then Mr. Mayappan and Mrs. Pramila. First of all, I thank. Whenever we suffered by some disease, actually we go to doctor. All the doctors in the world, they are giving medicine, pills, tablets, operation, surgery, controlling system, like that many treatments are there. Now, today, I am going to give treatment for all the diseases, but there is no single medicine. There is no single test. We don't need any blood test, MRI, scan report. Other one is, you don't tell your disease. Generally, whenever we go doctor, if he asks what is your disease, we will speak for 1.5 hours. We have a disease history. So here, you don't need to explain your disease, but we can cure the disease without any medicine. You may wonder how it is possible. Yes, definitely possible. Actually, if any person coming for treatment, I will not ask any question. I will not give any medicine. I will give treatment by speech. I give speech for 6 hours. Patient has to listen carefully. This is treatment. You may wonder how it is possible. Nowadays, many scan machines are coming, many advanced science is there. In this world, how can we cure the disease without any medicine? You may ask, but I will give the solution. Please understand. We can cure our disease without any medicine. Actually, I will not cure your disease. I will educate how cure your disease yourself. This is called anatomic therapy. Today we are going to learn about anatomic therapy. Actually, if any disease comes for me, I will not go to doctor. I will not take any medicine. I cure myself. I know the technique. I know the secret. Today, I am going to educate the techniques, the secret to you. I will educate what is body, what is blood, what are the materials in the blood, what is organ, how it works, why the disease are coming, whenever disease comes, what we are doing, what the total world doctors are doing, why even single disease cannot be cured. Nowadays, sugar can't be cured, BP can't be cured. So as a doctor, we have to cure the disease. I am asking you, all the doctors are telling sugar can't be cured, BP can't be cured. What I am asking, if you can't cure any disease, why you are calling as a doctor? As a doctor, should cure all the disease. Even we can cure cancer and AIDS. Today, I am going to educate how we ourselves. I will explain one example. You are going to a home, somebody's home. They are giving food, very good food. You have taken very good food. One person is asking, how was the food? It's fantastic, very nice. After 10 seconds, one person is coming, who had this food? You are telling, yeah, I only had this food, very good. He's telling, oh, I saw dead rat in the food. It is a poisoned food. He's telling, what will happen? Immediately, vomit will come. Please understand, who taken vomit? Body or mind or intellect? Please understand, body is digesting the food. If that person not informed, vomit may not become. So please understand, there is no problem in the mind. The problem is in the intelligent. You have a intelligent record, knowledge as rat food is poison. We will die. We have a record. We have a knowledge. We have some knowledge. This knowledge, this record, disturbing mind. Then the mind gets feared. The feared mind only go to body and disturb the body, and it will created vomit. So please understand, there is no disease in our body. Every cells in our body knows only health. As per our theory, there is no disease in the body. Body will not get diseased. It will not be get collapsed. Whenever mind collapses, then only body collapses. Blood only, not in the organ. Finally, I am going to educate that disease is in the blood only, not in the organ. If our blood gets collapsed or poor quality, all the organs will be damaged. So we have to purify the blood. That is our treatment. So please understand, there is no separate treatment for separate disease. If we fix this 5, definitely all the organs, all the cells, all the tissues will be regenerated. Every minute 300 crores of cells will be regenerated. Definitely within 1 year, all the cells will be regenerated. You will get all the organs new. We can cure all the disease in our body. There is no separate disease, separate treatment for separate disease. We can live for 120 years without any medicine, healthy and peacefully. If we have any emergency, then only we have to go to doctor. So same time, we should not throw all the medicine which we are using immediately. First month, we have to use same medicine, same treatment. We have to follow our techniques. Second month, we can reduce 25%. We have to take 70% only. Third month, 50%. Fourth month, 25%. Fifth month only, we have to stop your medicine. Please understand, immediately if you are stopping your medicine, that will become sometimes a bad solution. So we have to reduce step by step, gradually, treatment and medicine. This is anatomic therapy. Actually, our body knows how to cure ourselves, but the problem is 5, the obstacle is 5. Now I am going to educate how to solve this 5, then how to cure ourselves. Okay, this is a fundamental of anatomic therapy. Now I am going to educate different disease. Then I will give solution afterwards. First disease, I am going to tell the detail about the some disease. First disease is BP. Many people are awake, oh, this is my item. No, you have to listen all the items, not only one item. Okay, what is meant by BP? What is the job of the heart? We are telling it is purifying the blood. No, heart is not purifying the blood. Lungs, liver, kidney is the organs which purifying the blood, not heart. Someone are telling heart is manufacturing the blood. No, bone marrow is only manufacturing the blood. The heart job is giving pressure to the blood. If you have a lower tanker and upper tanker, water tanker, what you are using to send this water to upper tank? You are using motor pump. The motor pump is purifying the water or generating water? No, it is just giving pressure. Like that, our heart is giving only pressure to the blood, that's all. Now I am going to educate. Now I am going to do meditation for 1 hour without shaking any organ. With the closed eyes, I am going to do meditation for 1 hour. Okay. After 1 hour, just you come and check my BP. Okay, BP or sugar, it will be low BP only, low sugar only. Why? Because for last 1 hour, I am sitting without any job. So all the body cells don't need any sugar, don't need any BP. So low BP it is showing low BP. Okay, if you are seeing low BP, immediately I am opening my eye and I am doing like this. Just think, if I am doing like this, my BP sugar is the same status or it will be increased. Definitely it will be. Why? Because all the cells in my right hand is working. So all the cells need sugar, all the cells need BP. So my BP and sugar will increase slightly. Now I am doing like this. I am shaking 2 hands. Just think, BP sugar will be increased or decreased? Increased. Now I am going to run for 3 kilometers with speed. I am running. After 3 kilometers, if you have a BP sugar machine, just check me. It should be high sugar, high BP. It should not be normal. Please understand, there is no sugar BP normal for health. That's all. Healthy person should not have normal BP, normal sugar. Depends upon the work. It may increase, it may decrease. Body knows why you are checking. Not only me. If a doctor running speedily, then definitely his sugar and BP will increase. Just check. After 3 kilometers, I am going for a meditation. High BP, high sugar will reduce. It become normal, then low, isn't it? See, within half an hour, I decrease. I saw my BP sugar low, high, normal, then low, isn't it? May I sugar patient or BP patient? No. Somebody may ask, hello, I know, while running my BP sugar will increase. While sitting my BP sugar, I know. But I not go for running. Just I am sitting in a sofa, I am watching TV. While watching, I got high BP, high sugar. That is because of the cereal. Whenever you are cereal, you will become feelings. Then the BP sugar will increase. Please understand, to cure BP and sugar, you should know something. BP sugar increase or decrease because of 3 reasons. One is, whenever we give more work to the body, because of the work, BP sugar will increase. If you reduce your work, BP sugar will become normal. Now think, why we want to check the BP and sugar? No. Second one is whenever we feel feelings, sad, worry, tension, fear, whenever we feel something, bad feeling, then the BP sugar will increase. Why you are checking? If you keep your mind calm, then it will become normal. Third one is, please understand, no one educated this reason. Third one is, whenever many cells resist, to cure our disease, our body increase sugar and BP. This is the major reason. For example, if anyone coming, okay, anyone please come, I will check the BP and sugar, okay, it is normal only, okay. After some time, I will use knife, I will do wound in your hand. Immediately, you just check your BP and sugar, it will be high BP and sugar only. Why? Actually, these cells are collapsed. We don't know, but body know to how to cure. All the dead cell will ask, oh, someone used a knife, I got injured, so I have to regenerate. So all the injured cell will regenerate by asking BP and sugar. Up to curing, some days, 5 days, 7 days, up to the curation of the human body, sugar and BP will be high only. Please understand, if your body increases the sugar and BP means, that is not a disease. Actually, it is a curing process. Why you are checking, why you are eating, why you are taking tablet? Please understand, whenever our body cures ourselves, then only the BP sugar will increase. This is not educated by doctor, because that is the problem. Okay, I am giving some example. A person got 10,000 cells injured, disease. Then our body start curing. All the BP sugar increased. At that time, he is going for a hospital. Doctor checking. No doctor, no the curing system, they will see no doctor see your face, whether you are a sister or mother or a friend. They will see the report only. If the report says something, they will believe. We are not believing our body. If in this time, if you are going to hospital, they will check BP and sugar. They will tell you are a high BP person, high sugar person. You have to take tablet. You know the job of the BP tablet. Whenever we take BP tablet, it will not go and cure the disease. The BP tablet going to the heart, it will educate, it will go to heart, it will educate to maintain the same heartbeat. Please understand. BP tablet is controlling the heartbeat only, not curing any disease in the body. That's all. If you are following this technique, food is the medicine. The final point is how much to eat. Nowadays, many people are going for a dietitian. They are giving list. Morning 4 chapati, afternoon 1 cup of curd rice, evening 5 idli. Don't do like this. This is a laughing system. I will laugh. Whenever a doctor giving list, I will laugh because they don't ask you are a worker or you are a labor or a office staff. If you are a bank manager, you sit and you do work. You don't need 4 chapati. If you are a labor working in a hard work, they need 5 chapati, 8 chapati. Today I am speaking more. I will take more food. Tomorrow there is no meeting, there is no food, little quantity is enough. Please understand, depends upon the height, weight, age, climate, room, AC, non-AC, job, mood, our food quantity will decrease, increasing every time. No one cannot give list. If I am a PhD person in a dietitian, I can't give list for me. Then I can give to you. So just tear and throw. I am asking a question. Dietitians are giving list. Morning 4 chapati. Okay. I am asking a question. Whether he asked, your home chapati is, the diameter is this one or this. They are not asking about the thickness and the density and the diameter of the chapati. Then how can he give 4 chapati list? Every home chapati is different weight, height. Please understand. At same times they are giving in the afternoon you have to take 1 cup of curd rice. But in your home you have a big cup. What will happen? They are not educated the depth of the cup, the diameter of the cup. Night 5 idli. Every home idli is different. Somebody's home with 1 kilo. Somebody home with 100 grams. How can tell 5 chapati, 5 idli? Please understand, this is not a correct method. Logically, it not works. So, I give you solution. Whenever you feel hungry, go to food. Take food. You know when to stop. Stop. That's all. If we think about while eating, if we are keep attention in our food, we know where to stop. That's all. Okay. I give 5 chapati. First, while eating 5, first 2 chapati, it is very good. After 3rd chapati, you don't like, isn't it? If you don't like, stop. That's all. Again, lunchtime will come. Again, same chapati. Wait. So, the point is, there is no measurement for food. We have to go to take food. You eat. You like, eat. If you don't like, stop. That's all. Milk allergy. Actually, allergy is not a disease of body disease, it's a mind disease.
You spoke about 5 obstacles. So out of that, one was lack of damage in the blood or lack of blood. I just want your opinion. What do you think of blood donation?
Yeah, blood donation is very good. Whoever collecting blood. But giving blood is harmful to our health. If you are giving blood,
I have a perforated eardrum, that is a hole in my ear. I got it operated, on the other one has it. And doctor said, now if that is not fixed, you also get your nose operated. So I don't know where to stop.
okay, to fix the hole in the ear, you have to go in.
Thank you very much for this lecture. It's so interesting. I would like to ask you if you can repeat about if the water, the pH is less than 7, what will happen, please? This is first. Second, what is the difference between O and yen and O and the other one for the stomach? Thank you very much.
First one is, if the pH value decreases, what is happening? What will happen?
Good evening, thank you for the evening. I'd like to ask whether taking coffee and tea is bad for health.
Yeah, tea coffee is very good for health, but the advertisement is showing in the TV is bad. Brew, Lipton, all are bad tea and coffees. 360, Brew, Lipton, all the, if
That means if we buy coffee
okay,
beans,
don't drink tea, coffee, the ad coming from the TV. Just go to country shop. You get Pudiga tea, herbal tea. If there is no advertisement in the TV, you can buy any product. If it is coming, immediately stop. Good product, we cannot advertise in the shop.
what about coffee beans? Coffee kotta vaangi kudikalama. Coffee kotta.
Original tea, original coffee, you can eat. The original tea will be, the original tea is Chinese tea. You take a leaf of tea, then put in water.
She has a lot of swelling in her body. She's around 47, 48 years of age, and now she's been diagnosed with thyroid. So what do you suggest? She has swelling in the body, and then she's been diagnosed by thyroid.
Swelling body.
Swelling. Whole body has swelling, and also thyroid.
Okay, she has to follow all the techniques which I explained. This is the first. Second one, whenever the body swells, lack of salt or more salt. If you take more salt or lack of salt, body will swell. So nowadays what they are telling, don't take salt.
Restrictions on non-vegetarian. Can you talk about that?
Actually, as per our body, we can eat non-vegetarian. As per the Prana, don't take non-vegetarian. If you want to live in the world, you can take non-vegetarian.
Which we like. Suppose if I have if I have groundnut every day, will it not be harmful? I like it.
No. If you want groundnut, you need groundnut. That's all. So take it.
Like it.
Yes. First, one more thing. You can eat any food whichever you like, but it will be a homemade food, subject to conditions. No, not a pizza, not a burger, not a, because all the packed food they are mixing some chemicals.
Thank you for making it all the way on Saturday, spending the whole day. I think I'm sure each one of us is very inspired with even Bhaskar ji, who has given so many tips, so many practical experiences. I think we are inspired, even the way he's sitting whole day, just cross-legged with no backrest. And I think every sentences, every word that he spoke has made a lot of difference to our mind. I'm sure we are going to physically also benefit a lot with all these practical tips that he has given. So I'm thanking Bhaskar ji for coming all the distance here, inspiring us and promising to visit us again and again. And all of you all for having made it, spending so much time, contributing your time and energy here. And of course, we also should thank all the people in the background, your families who have, allowed you to make it here. So thank you for being here. Thank you, Master. Thank you.